Street photography is about capturing life, raw and unscripted, as it unfolds before us. Imagine yourself on a bustling city street, camera in hand, eyes scanning through a sea of faces, each with a story that begs to be told. This is the world of street photography, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary through the lens of your camera. The core of street photography lies in its candid nature. Unlike posed portraits, candid shots reveal the essence of a moment, capturing people in their most natural states. This authenticity makes street photography powerful and challenging. It's about catching that split second where a person's true self shines through. Mastering this requires technical skill and sensitivity to surroundings. The streets are a stage, and every passerby is an unwitting actor in your unfolding drama. Your camera is a ticket to a deeper understanding of the world. You don't need expensive equipment to start, just the passion to look at the world differently. It's about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary. To capture the essence of the street, a photographer must blend in. Being inconspicuous allows you to observe unnoticed, preserving the natural flow of life. This might mean dressing to match the local fashion or adopting a non-intrusive demeanor. The goal is to become part of the environment, almost invisible. This approach respects the people you are capturing. Learning to be unobtrusive involves understanding and adapting to different situations. Knowing when to engage and when to observe is crucial. Sometimes the best photographs come from being perfectly hidden in plain sight. Respecting the rhythm of the street means understanding and adapting to the cultural and social nuances of the places you photograph. Street photography is about being a responsible observer. Be aware of and sensitive to the people whose lives you're capturing. Understand the legal and ethical implications of photographing people in public spaces. Always consider the personal comfort of those you photograph. If someone objects to being photographed, comply with their wishes. Move with the flow of life around you, not disrupting it. This respect extends to how you present your photographs. Portray your subjects with dignity and truth. Street photography should reveal the beauty and truth of everyday life. Engage with people in meaningful ways beyond just taking their photos. This reciprocal relationship enriches your photographic journey. Patience is crucial for any street photographer. The perfect moment often requires waiting, observing, and being ready to capture the split second when everything aligns. This waiting game is a test of persistence and passion. Precision complements patience. It involves being meticulous about your settings, positioning, and timing. Master your equipment so you can focus on the scene in front of you. Understanding light and composition enhances the storytelling power of your images. Patience and precision foster a deep connection to the environment. You begin to notice patterns, rhythms, and details that others might miss. This deep observation enriches your work. Now is the perfect moment to begin your journey into street photography. Start by observing your everyday environment with curiosity and creativity. Look at the people, interactions, and fleeting moments that make up daily life. These are your subjects, rich with potential and beauty. Begin in your neighborhood or city streets. Embrace the learning curve. Every mistake and success teaches you something valuable. Street photography is a continuous journey of improvement and discovery. So take your camera, step out the door, and start capturing the world, one candid snapshot at a time.